is a simple pair of needle nose pliers. Now take a closer look at the texture. The comfortable handle touch, a perfect match to your house. These deer light up the corners, warming the domestic atmosphere because they're designed for home. Now, when it comes to any situation in need of maintenance, there's no need for rummaging around anymore. You're going to fall in love repairing with Diordior with your family. For the house, for our loved ones, cheers! Diordior reconnects you with others, brightening your loving house so handy.